Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Chevrolet Malibu, a mid-sized sedan that's trying to punch above its weight, offering style, tech, and everyday practicality in one package. If you're shopping for a car that does it all, commute, family comfort, this one might catch your eye. As soon as you walk up to the Malibu, you'll notice the exterior has been given a fresh breath of life. The front fascia is sharper and more aggressive than many expect from a safe family sedan. The headlamps are sleeker, the grille design cleaner, and the overall silhouette seems to lean more toward a sporty coupe than a typical four-door box. While some details are still under wraps, the styling push is clear. From the side, the beltline rises a little, giving the car a dynamic posture. It looks modern, and that matters, because in 2026, sedans have to compete with SUVs for attention and appearances help. Inside, the 2026 Malibu is even more interesting. You step into a cabin that's been upgraded in materials, layout, and technology. The infotainment screen size jumps, with options up to roughly 10 inches in the higher trims. You'll also find better soft touch materials, contrasting stitching, and more premium finishes. Seat comfort is solid for the segment, and rear seat space is competitive thanks to a longer wheelbase around 111 inches. On the ergonomic front, the controls are arranged sensibly. You won't feel like you're piloting a spaceship, but you'll feel like you're sitting in something clearly one step up from entry level. There's more wireless connectivity too. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, USB-C ports, and even wireless phone charging in upper trims. These are the kinds of practical upgrades that daily drivers really appreciate. When it comes to performance and driving feel, the Malibu aims to provide a balanced experience. Under the hood, there's talk of a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine producing around 250 horsepower. Another version might feature a hybrid system capable of delivering impressive fuel efficiency, up to about 48 miles per gallon in certain configurations. Even if you stick to the base petrol engine, you'll likely find the Malibu well-tuned for everyday driving. A smooth and composed ride, predictable handling, calm in traffic, and stable on the highway. It's not built to rival sports cars, but it offers a refined, comfortable experience with just enough punch when you need it. For those who do a lot of commuting or highway driving, the Malibu's efficiency, especially in the hybrid or upgraded engine versions, becomes a real advantage. Lower fuel consumption means lower ownership cost, something every driver appreciates. On the safety and driver assist front, Chevrolet hasn't held back. You'll find a full suite of modern features like forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring, many of which are standard or optional. Combine that with a rigid body structure and solid build quality, and you get a car that feels both safe and confident on the road. From a design standpoint, there are several standout elements. The bold exterior lines and sporty touches make the Malibu feel less like an ordinary sedan and more like a modern driver's car. Inside, ambient lighting, upgraded upholstery, and thoughtful ergonomics make it feel sophisticated. And from a practical standpoint, you get the four-door convenience, a spacious trunk, and a cabin roomy enough for 4 to 5 adults. Where the Malibu really finds its unique selling point is in the way it blends all these attributes. You're getting the comfort and everyday usability of a sedan, the technology and design of a more expensive car, an efficiency that helps keep costs down. In a market filled with SUVs, the Malibu is proof that a sedan can still look exciting, feel modern, and perform well. Of course, no car is perfect. The base engine might not deliver the same excitement as turbocharged or hybrid rivals. Rear seat headroom could be slightly tight for taller passengers, and depending on your region, pricing and availability might vary. But overall, the Malibu's strengths, design, comfort, tech, and economy make it a standout option for 2026. If you're looking for a midsize car that delivers more than just transportation, the 2026 Chevrolet Malibu deserves your attention. It offers a refined mix of performance, comfort, and technology that makes it feel right at home in today's world. If you're considering buying one, take it for a test drive, compare trims and engine options, and look into long-term costs like maintenance and fuel economy. The Malibu's appeal is about balance. It's stylish, practical, and smartly built for modern life. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about the Malibu's new look? Would you choose it over an SUV? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more car reviews. See you in the next one, and as always, safe driving.